Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my competitive why. A business that I want to work on is to have my travel blogs. And I found out these three different reasons that why people start their blogs, which is they want to inspire, they want to provide tips, and they want to record. The first blog that I found, her name is My Life is a Movie. And this is what her page looked like. So this is what she's found in her mission statement is I aim to inspire others to travel wherever it is by providing information and travel tips or showcasing a destination through my photography. And for me, I think people nowadays they're looking something really fast. They want to search for the solution quickly, like they just want to go on Google and search, what to do, where to eat, how much is this play, where can I get a ticket online in that one post. And I think this blogger, she really meet what the customer wants, that she just provide those quick answer for their question, and she also give them motivation to do things, to just go out there and travel. And I think these two reason becomes her biggest selling point, that the readers want to continue to visit her blog, and she successfully to build up the relationship between her and her customers. The second reason that why people want to have a travel blog is they want to connect with the local. Um, Dan Flying Solos is a solo travel blogger. That this is what his page look like. He said that travel for him is about education and the people that he meet. He usually likes flying solo because it makes him easier to connect with the locals and get an inside look of that country. Right now, more and more people they went on solo travel, and one reason of that is because they just want to experience more and to make more friends and also get to know the culture more. And this blog exactly hit the topic that people want to read because he's just creating the content of people like to read and do, and he attract people who believe the same things as him, so that those people can end up become his loyal customers or loyal followers, and that's why this guy become one of the top travel blog that everyone needs to follow in 2019. The third reason is for the couple travel is they want to record memories. This is a page of like a gay couple that it is really interesting because what they said is they create like a blog as a platform to record their romantic adventures about gay scenes and something that they eat in their travels, and their mission is to inspire and show other gay travelers that they can visit more places in the world, and just to provide some first-hand travel tips. I think Where Were They, which is a gay couple, really stand up easily from the crowd because they are unique and different. They are trying to create stories from a different and new perspective that the readers may be interested in reading more. To conclude, why do the travel bloggers want to inspire, tipping other people, and record? Is because they can create content that the readers are interested in reading, and they provide a new and abnormal perspective to tell the story. And finally, they have a unique and motivating theme to driven their readers to travel and to just to take action. And I think this three is the biggest reason why people start their travel blog. And this is the end of the presentation. Thank you.